Tools for KDP niche research. Let's start with Publisher Rocket. This powerful software is designed specifically for KDP niche research. It offers comprehensive data on keywords, competition, and sales trends. With Publisher Rocket, you can easily identify profitable niches and optimize your book's metadata. This tool is essential for anyone serious about maximizing their publishing success. Next up is KDP Wizard. Another popular choice, KDP Wizard provides valuable insights into niche research. It gives you data on keywords, categories, search volume, and sales rankings. This information allows you to analyze the competition and identify potential opportunities. If you want to stay ahead in the KDP game, KDP Wizard is a must-have. Now let's talk about KDSPY. This tool is designed to help you analyze the Kindle marketplace effectively. KDSPY provides real-time data on book performance, including sales estimates, reviews, and rankings. It's an excellent resource for assessing market trends and identifying profitable niches. If you want a comprehensive view of the market, KDSPY is a great addition to your toolkit. And don't forget about Amazon's search bar. This free resource is incredibly useful for conducting basic niche research. By analyzing search suggestions and autocomplete results, you can gain insights into what readers are interested in and identify profitable keywords. It's a simple yet effective way to kickstart your research. Now that we've covered some essential tools, let's explore popular and profitable niches in the KDP marketplace. If you're looking for inspiration, this section is for you. We'll highlight evergreen categories and emerging trends that show high reader demand and potential for success. Number 1. Self-help and personal development. This broad category includes sub-niches like stress management, relationships, mindfulness, and personal growth. There's consistently high demand for books that offer practical advice and guidance on improving one's life. If you have expertise in this area, it's a fantastic niche to consider. Number 2. Health and fitness. With a growing focus on wellness, this niche offers numerous opportunities for publishers. Sub-niches such as weight loss, nutrition, specific diets like keto or vegan, and exercise regimens are particularly popular. If you're passionate about health, this could be your golden opportunity. Number 3. Low-content books. These include journals, planners, and coloring books. They require minimal writing and can be produced relatively quickly. Low-content books often cater to specific interests and can be highly profitable. If you're looking for a way to publish quickly, this is a great option. Number 4. Nonfiction. How-to guides. Books that provide step-by-step instructions or guidance on specific skills or topics are always in demand. This niche covers a wide range of subjects, from cooking and gardening to DIY projects and technology. If you have expertise in a particular area, this could be a lucrative path. Number 5. Fiction. Subgenres. While fiction can be competitive, focusing on specific subgenres can increase your chances of success. Popular categories include romance, thriller, mystery, science fiction, and fantasy. Each of these genres has dedicated readerships, making them ripe for exploration. So whether you're using powerful tools like Publisher Rocket, KDP Wizard, and KDSPY, or leveraging free resources like Amazon's search bar, you have everything you need to succeed in KDP niche research. Remember, finding the right niche is key to your self-publishing success. Take the time to explore these niches and tools, and you'll be well on your way to identifying profitable opportunities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.